Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This is crucial because activation requires compatible hardware. Once done, sign into your Vodafone account or open the My Vodafone app and note your IMEI and account details. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi so downloads finish reliably. Backup contacts and any local data just in case. Then choose your transfer method, in-app eSIM request, store visit, or calling support, and proceed with the chosen option. Next, you request the eSIM from Vodafone. The My Vodafone app is fastest, but a store can issue a QR code on paper or email. When Vodafone provides a QR or activation code, keep it visible and secure because you'll scan or type it into your phone. On Android or iPhone, go to Settings Cellular, add Cellular Plan, and scan the QR. If asked, choose whether this becomes your primary line or a secondary data line. Make sure no VPN interferes with activation. Finally, complete activation by confirming the new plan in settings and allowing the phone to provision the carrier. This can take a few minutes. After it shows active, make a voice call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data works. Then set your default voice and data lines so apps use the right connection. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and re-scan the QR. Ensure the IMEI matches the Vodafone record, and contact Vodafone support with your account and IMEI for expedited help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.